In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play FIFA World Cup Fantasy in draft mode. Let's get started. Navigate to the official website of FIFA Fantasy. Make sure you have already logged in. Now you can head over to Fantasy and Gaming section, go to Fantasy and navigate to My Team. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the option of Join or Create League. If draft mode is available in your competition, you'll be able to create a private draft league and invite your friends to participate. Unlike the standard fantasy game, where multiple managers can select the same players, draft mode uses a player draft system where each footballer can only belong to one team in your league. When the draft begins, managers take turns selecting players from the available player pool. Depending on league settings, the draft may use a sneak format where they pick or reverse each round, helping keep the competition balanced. Once a player has been selected by another manager, they are no longer available for anyone else to draft. This means you will need to think strategically and plan your picks carefully rather than simply choosing the most popular players. As you build your squad, try to maintain a balanced team across all positions. Consider selecting reliable players from strong national teams that are expected to advance deep into tournament. Since player ownership is exclusive in draft mode, finding hidden gems and undervalued players can be just as important as drafting superstars. A strong draft strategy can give you a major advantage over your opponents throughout the competition. After the draft is complete, you'll manage your team throughout the tournament by setting your lineup, choosing captains when applicable, making substitutions, and using transfers according to your league's rules. And that's it. This is how you can easily play FIFA World Cup Fantasy in draft mode. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.